For those that are like, what the hell does that mean? It looks like a flag. See here? That's a bull flag. Everybody see it? So it looks really good. So that's one of the other things we look at. So we're not only, and if you look at my screen, if you guys don't have Benzinga Pro, you're not using anything else. If you look down here, I've got my positions, tops, and news. Okay, so if I go into tops, which by the way, if you guys want to add this, if you go to add widget, yes. So you go to add widget, top gainers and losers right here, and you can add this anywhere you want. Drag it to anywhere you want, let go of it on your screen. You can move it anywhere you want. See there? It will literally go anywhere you want, and then that will be an option for you. Okay, let me remove this. If you need to remove it, click the hamburger menu, which is up here in the top right. Tell it to remove. So again, we can look at volume, and you guys will see a lot of times if I'm roaming around looking for something, if I see something start to run really fast, meaning these numbers are flying, I'm like, ooh, right? And then I'll be like, hey, volume's starting to come into this. Okay. So that will tell me a lot of times you guys are like, well, how the hell did you see that? Well, I'll see it off the volume will start to fly. Notice all these numbers are kind of, now look at right here. See how ASTI, look at, you see how I saw ASTI was moving without even knowing it because I saw the volume starting to fluctuate. So now we can add ASTI to our hot stock pick. Why? It's at 1 million volume, which is a lot, by the way. If you come over here to its average daily is 5, it's already 20% daily volume, and look at it pop. Now, you guys saw me catch that live with you right here. I wasn't looking at nothing else. I saw this right in here. Literally, I saw the volume start to pour in, right? So a lot of people are coming in here. Now, when that happens, of course, in the morning, I'm checking it for hours. Then I'll go, okay, is there anything on the news? You can look on here, Benzinga, Chartmill, right? Whatever you guys prefer to look at, and you guys can start to identify things that are moving. So I'm not only just looking at volume, I'm looking at news. I'm looking at how it is running for the day, what it is doing, where it's gone before, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And then, of course, it's up to you guys, right, to pull back on your charts if it's something you're interested in. Like if you're like, hey, this ASTI looks good. Well, the first thing you always want to do, right, is pull back to a 4-hour or a day, kind of give you an idea of what it was, where it's going to, start to map some of this stuff out. So you're going to start to know all these key critical levels. Look, you can see right here, right here, right here, right? Now I've already got mapped out in just 2 seconds, different key strategic levels that this can fly through, right? Just like that.